Good morning, students. Today we start exercise 7.1 of indefinite integral, in which the question number 1 is find the antiderivative. Antiderivative means integral of sine 2x dx. As we know, integral of sine 2x is cos 2x divided by differentiation of angle plus c. So its integral is cos 2x upon 2. This is the integration of sine 2x. In second question, the statement is integral of cos 3x. Integration of cos is sine 3x divided by derivative of this angle, which is 3. In third question, I is equal to e power 2x dx. As we know, integration of e power is same divided by its derivative, which is 2. So integral of e power 2x is e power 2x divided by 2. In question number 4, the statement is ax plus b whole square dx. When we open this identity, a square x square plus b square plus 2abx. This is the identity. When we separate these terms, a square integration of x square dx plus b square integration of dx plus 2ab integration of x. So integration of x square is x cube upon 3. Integration of dx is x and integration of x is x square upon 2. This is the integral of ax plus b whole square. In fifth question, the statement is sine 2x max 4 e power 3x. So first we multiply dx. So it's sine 2x dx minus 4, it's e power 3x. Integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x by 2 and e power is e 3x upon 3. This is the integral of this question. In the sixth question, I is equal to 4 e power 3x minus 1. When we multiply dx, so it becomes 4 e the power 3x minus dx. As we know, integration of e the 3x is e the 3x divided by derivative of this power, which is 3, and integration of dx is x. This is the integral of this question. In the seventh question, x square 1 minus 1 by x square dx. When we multiply this is x square dx and this x square cancel out 1 dx. As we use in power rule, x cube upon 3, integration of dx is x. This is the answer of question number 7. In 8th question, the statement is ax square bx plus c dx. When we separate these terms, they become x square dx b into x dx plus c into dx. So integration of x is x cube by 3, integration of x is x square by 2, integration of dx is c, and d is the constant of integration. In question number 9, the statement is 2x square plus ex. When we multiply dx x square dx plus ex dx. So integration of x square is x cube upon 3. Integration of ex is ex. In question number 10, the statement is root x upon 1 upon root x. When we open this identity, a square is root x square plus b square is under root x square minus 2a into b. So this cancel out. This is x square dx plus 1 by x dx minus 2 dx. So its integration is x square upon 2 plus log x minus 2x plus c. This is the integral of this question. In the next question, that's question number 11. The statement is, in question number 11, the statement is I is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square dx. When we separate these terms, x cube upon x square dx plus 5 x square upon x square dx minus 4 dx upon x square. This is x dx, this is 5 dx. When we take x square in numerator, this is x power minus 2. Integration of this is x square by 2, 5x. This is x power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. This is the integral of this question. In 12th question, the statement is x square plus 3x plus 4 by root x. When we take this root x in numerator, this is x power minus half. When we multiply this power by this, bases are same, so powers are added. 3 by 2, this becomes x power half. This is 4 x power minus half. When we integrate this, add 1 power, 5.2, 5.2. This is 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. This becomes x half upon half plus c. This is the answer of this question. In question number 13, the statement is I is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. First we take x square common. So x minus 1, take 1 common, this is x minus 1. And from this x minus 1 is common, so this is x square plus 1 upon x minus 1. So this cancel out. Integration of x square is x cube, 1 is x. This is the answer of this question. In the next question, that's question number 14, the statement is, in question number 14, the statement is I is equal to 1 minus x into root x. When we multiply root x, this becomes x root is 1 by 2 and this is 1 plus half, which is 3 upon 2. So its integration is 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, and its integration is 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2 plus c. This is the answer of this question. In question number 15, root x 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. When we multiply this, we get 3. Half plus 2 is 5 upon 2, and this is half plus 1 is 3 by 2. This is root 5. Root 5 is x power half. When we integrate this is 7 upon 2 by 7 upon 2. This is 5 upon 2 by 5 upon 2. This is 3 upon This is the answer of this question. Thanks.